This whole video is a joke, just like the title implies. Please don't take anything seriously or perceive that I'm ridiculing anyone or anything. Enjoy the video.
So, you want to make a tech video to grow your channel. Where to begin? So many endless possibilities, so many different things you could be possibly talking about. But here on the internet, you have to be specific and consistent. You can't make one video about, old computers and then go to robotics. That's not how it works. So let's talk about older technology. After all, everyone who talks about it has the biggest audience, and thereby you will have the biggest audience.
So you've decided to do just the thing. You dust off an old Dell Optiplex 755 you had laying around, and it's the perfect candidate to do your first video on. What makes the perfect candidate for such a video, you may ask? It has to make some people nostalgic, but also be a relic to mock and to inform new boards about. As for the futuristic and never outdated year 2018, it is computers from 2008, take my word for it. Also, starting at the age of 16, people will start to watch these type of tech videos less and less, so speed up the process by discriminating against them and making random TikTok references and thus making them feel isolated. They should be watching videos about how terrible Snapchat is for the youth and how great Mode 7 was for the SNES, stuff that they would only care about. Now to the actual computer. Insert some aesthetically attractive, don't joke about it being sexually attractive or else you'll get demonetized footage for everyone to gaze at. This is the perfect time to visually brag to people about where you live and how clever you are. No one on the internet is humble, and this is your time to shine. Place the computer in a location that is more appealing than your nerd room, such as on top of a stump adjacent to a river, next to a tree, in your car, walking your pet. In order to make it less obvious that you're deviating from the point of video, talk about random specs and how great they were back then and how bad they are now. Make sure that you sound as smart and as arrogant as possible. This is so that people are less able to counteract your possibly fabricated specs because of your new fake persona that you will need to adopt. For example, in a bad narrator voice, say stuff like, I hated this 4 gigabit per second computer and I hate it now. Piece of junk with a horrible cold 2.gigawatt prosecutor. Really rolls out the tongue and I absolutely hate it. After introducing the computer, start upgrading the computer with better specs. In the case of the computer, upgrade the PSU, CPU, GPU, some random peripheral, a reference to an older video, your cat in which the cat will leave because she hates you, and a stuffed wolf for good measure because eat your sheep. Now powered on, the goal for everyone is to run Crysis, the Hotel California to computer benchmarking world. Show Crysis running really well and explain this piece of junk can really run Crysis. Then say, oh wait, and reveal it was actually Metroid Prime and not Crysis. Pan over to reveal the other TV and show that the computer not only did not boot the game, but did not boot an operating system, in which you look inside the PC case and then realize there is no internal storage. Then explain that you, absolutely 100% without a doubt, have no way to install storage or boot an operating system at this current time. Finally, you conclude the video. Say something slightly optimistic yet pessimistic at the same time. Like, there won't have to be in part 2, where we, never say I, that makes you look like an egotistical narcissist, can finally get this piece of junk to run Crysis. I hope to see you all next time, and remember, I'm Murray.